Why are you late?
I am coming from yesterday.
Wait, what?
I am coming from yesterday.
That doesn't sound right.
Why? It's correct.
No, it sounds strange.
But I'm trying to say I came yesterday.
Ah, okay, I get you.
So what's wrong?
Say it again.
I am coming from yesterday.
Everyone is looking at us now.
Why are they looking?
Because of what you just said.
What did I say?
You didn't say it correctly.
Okay, teach me.
You should say, I came yesterday.
I came yesterday.
Yes, that's correct.
So I am coming from yesterday is wrong?
Yes, very wrong.
But I hear people say it.
Maybe, but it's not proper English.
Oh.
English uses past tense here.
Past tense?
Yes, came is past.
So I should always say I came yesterday?
Exactly.
Okay.
Try another one.
I am coming from last week.
No.
What?
Say, I came last week.
Ah, I see it now.
Good.
So no, I am coming from?
Not in this situation.
Okay, I understand now.
Good.
Let me try another sentence.
Go ahead.
I am coming from the market. Is it correct?
Depends.
On what?
On what you mean.
I mean, I went to the market and now I'm back.
Then say, I went to the market.
Not I am coming from the market?
No, not in standard English.
But I just came from there.
I know.
So what should I say?
Say, I just came back from the market.
I just came back from the market.
Perfect.
Ah, this is hard.
You're doing well.
Wait, so everything I've been saying is wrong?
Almost.
Wow, people must think I'm funny.
Not funny, just learning. Don't worry, you'll improve.
Okay, I think I've got it now.
Let's see.
I will speak correctly this time.
Go ahead.
I am coming from yesterday.
Wait, what are you doing?
I want to try in public.
Oh no.
I came yesterday.
Okay, that's correct.
I just came back from the market.
Good.
And I am coming from tomorrow.
What?
What? Isn't it correct?
No, that makes no sense.
I mixed it again.
You can't come from tomorrow.
This English is confusing me.
You're overthinking it.
Everyone is laughing.
Because you're shouting it.
I just wanted to practice.
Next time, practice quietly.
I'm so embarrassed.
It's okay. You're learning.
Okay, I will be serious now.
Good.
I will try again.
I'm listening.
I came yesterday.
Perfect.
I went to the market.
Nice.
I just came back from the market.
Excellent.
And I will come tomorrow.
Yes, finally.
So no, I am coming from yesterday?
Never again.
I've been speaking wrong English all this time.
Not wrong, just learning.
Thank you for correcting me.
Anytime.
Next time, I will speak confidently
That's the spirit.
and correctly.
Even better.
So, do I still sound funny?
A little.
Hey,
Just kidding.
I'll keep practicing.
That's how you improve.